question asks us to draw a mechanism for the reaction of an alkyl bromide with elemental sodium to produce a carbanion and sodium bromide. The first step of this reaction involves the reaction of the alkyl bromide with one of the solvated electrons. When we dissolve elements like sodium, then we get a solvated electron. That electron can add to the bromine. That will cause the carbon-bromine bond to break. One of those electrons will go on to bromine. The other electron will go on to carbon. That will form a carbon radical and bromide anion. And that bromide anion can associate with the sodium cation to form the sodium bromide byproduct. The final step of this mechanism will be reacting with the second solvated electron. That electron can add to the carbon, and that will form the carbanion, and the sodium bromide will be the byproduct of this reaction.